Look at me. Just look at me. The things you do for your kids. Hello everyone. So yes, I do look like a scarecrow. The things you do for your children. So Max has got a week off and he's taking his car today somewhere to have something done to it again. I don't know, you might be able to hear his car because he's got like the loudest exhaust and pops and bangs, and he needs to leave his car there and he had no way of coming back, so I'm following him to bring him back home. And my hair is still wet because I was just about to film hair tutorial. He wanted to see how I comb my hair. It's okay because for this hair I like to, for this tutorial, for this hairstyle, I like to let my hair dry naturally, because you see your hair always has a bit of a wave in it. So if you curl your hair, you shouldn't like straighten it or blow drying it straight, because then the curl won't hold as long. So I had to just leave in a rush to go with him, and when I come back I will carry on with my tutorial. Now I told him to drive like a normal person so I don't lose him, because I don't know where this place is, so I have to follow him. I wanted to say that I am so sorry to hear about these raging fires that have been going on in Australia. I hope you all keeping yourself safe. It's just horrendous. I mean, doesn't bear thinking about. And I will leave in the description box a couple of websites where you can donate money. I've just donated some money to both sides. One website is to support the volunteer firefighters who, you know, risk their lives, and the other one is for Red Cross. And even if you just donate $1, £1, you know, every penny counts. Please don't think that, you know, unless you can donate hundreds and hundreds of pounds or dollars or whatever currency, you shouldn't do it. Every single penny counts. Imagine if everybody just in England donated £1, how much money that would be. It would be millions. So honestly, even if you can do £1, please do it. Imagine if that was in your country, if that was your family, if that was your own house that burned down, your animals. It just, those poor koalas, it really, really gets me. I can't really watch it. So, sorry. So if you can, please donate anything that you can. We really need to stick together at times like this, because, you know, it's easy to sit in your comfortable home and have everything going right for you, but you never know, things like that could happen to you. So please donate. Hi my lovelies. So I've curled my hair yesterday and I filmed it, as you know, so you will see it sometime this week, but I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like after I've woken up. I've only put my makeup on, I haven't brushed my hair, so that's what it looks like the second day. As you can see, this side is a bit more curly because I sleep on this side, but you know, I could go around like this, really undone look. But what I do to get another day out of it, I take my curling tongs and I just put few more curls just on the top of, you know, just just the top layer of my hair. Don't go all over it, just to make it a bit more curly. And then I have another day of it. And then tomorrow, when I wake up and I will look a bit like this, I will put my hair up and just maybe just curl this to on the side. So that's how I get 3 days out of this one hairstyle. So I just take few of these and give it almost like tightening up the curls a bit. I think the back still looks okay as well. The good thing with this hairstyle is that it's supposed to look a bit, you know, boho and undone. So I'm not doing the underneath bits, just the ones on the top, picking up a few curls. And I can have another day of it. I just feel that if my hair was straight, if I blow dried it straight yesterday and I woke up this morning and it didn't look so good, there isn't much I can do with that hair. When it's straight, it just looks flat and whatever, so I just put it up straight away. Whereas when I curl my hair, like I said, I'm getting 3 days out of it. So, and I'm not being as precise as I was yesterday. I quite like this side. Might stick one here maybe. I let it cool down and I will shake it, and that's me done for another day. I have to go now because I'm taking Louis to a hairdresser. He's going to the groomer today. So yeah, but I just thought I'd show you, you know, what I do on the second day. There. Look at my beautiful prince. Hello, Lulu. He's had his haircut. He looks so pretty. I love it when she cuts his fringe quite short so you can see his beautiful eyes. You like your sheepskin rag, don't you? Louis? Louis? Louis, where's Daddy gone? Where's Daddy gone? Where is he gone? You gorgeous you are. Hello, I am on my way to have my Botox done. Botox, yes. I think I'm a month late. She usually messages when I'm due for my next one, but it was before Christmas and I was far too busy, so I am going today to get rid of the wrinkles. I think I might have it again at the top. Last time was quite good. It drooped my brows tiny bit, but not loads. So I think I'm going to have that done again. Oh God, I hope it doesn't start raining. It was so beautiful today and it's 14 degrees, so it's really warm. I don't even have a jacket on. But I can see really dark clouds over there. Have I got an umbrella? Yeah, I have. I have to take my umbrella with me. So yeah, that's what I've changed it to. I had pretty the same stuff when I had the black one on here, but I think I prefer this. Anyway, I can always change it up. So there is our wedding picture. Hi my lovelies, sorry I'm a bit funny angle, but I'm on my vlogging camera. Just wanted to show you what I got the new Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette in Pillow Talk. You know, I am somewhat of a collector, especially of these palettes, and I couldn't resist. It's beautiful as always, and it has all the shades are brand new. All 12 shades are brand new, so I'm sure they are a bit similar to some that you get in the other palettes, but there is definitely no repeat. So I will do a tutorial with this palette at some point, but I just love them. Did I need it? No, didn't need it at all, but I cannot resist these Charlotte's palettes, so anytime one comes out I have to have it. And I also repurchased the Bobbi Brown Extra Eye Repair Cream. So I have noticed I don't like my makeup at all lately, not my foundation, eye makeup, especially under my eye. I feel, because it's winter and you know we are using a lot of central heating, my skin feels so dry, and I try to do so much for it, but my eyes especially feel really dry. So you know, I use retinol creams under my eyes, but I feel, you know, retinol can be a bit drying, so I repurchased this cream. This cream is quite expensive, well, very expensive, but it's very rich and lasts forever, because you need such a tiny amount. I mean, this is just like solid, it's like butter. So I thought I have to buy it. I only just ran out of my last one, and I've had it for months and months, because I don't use it morning and night. I will use it or at night or in the morning. I think now I will use it in the morning for under my makeup, because I feel like my under eye with the concealers and powder is looking really dry. I also got sent a couple more mirrors from Easy Hold. Do you remember when I did the video on perfect gifts for Christmas? I've included one of those mirrors which I absolutely love, and they just sent me a couple more. So I think I will do like a separate video on those makeup mirrors, because they are all a bit different, and depending what you need in it for or where you want to use it is which one you would choose. So I will do a separate video on that. Also wanted to say thank you so much for your support after I did that video about you know, the scammers, they're stealing my my videos. Thank you so much for your support and understanding. I since then had an email from someone, I'm not going to mention this person's name, but my photo is being used again on some other dating website, not in this country, in different country, and I've been told that I probably know this person, that it is a YouTuber, which, but you know, I can't guarantee it, you never know with these emails. But yeah, so I just honestly, I'm giving up. I don't want to know. There is nothing none of us can do. If someone wants to steal our picture, they can. So Okay, my lovelies, I know this vlog wasn't too interesting, but I didn't do anything interesting this week, so I will probably finish it here, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.